Where does the name for Graiglwyd come from? So today I'm in the hills between Penmaen Mawr and Llanfairfechan in Conwy County. And this hill behind me is called Graiglwyd. Let's get into the name. So the name's made of two parts. Graig is the soft mutated form of craig, a rock or sometimes a cliff. The word goes back deep to an old root car from late Proto-Indo-European, and it means something like stony or rocky. Why is it soft mutated? Well, it's a feminine noun, and they soft mutate after the word which means the. Originally this name may have started with an but it's been dropped as it's obvious from context that it was there. Lwyd is the soft mutated form of fluid, meaning grey. That comes from Proto-Brythonic llwyd, and before that from Proto-Celtic phratos. It's also soft mutated because it's attached to a feminine noun. On its southern flank lies something remarkable, one of the largest Neolithic axe factories in Wales. 5,000 years ago, people came here to break blocks of hard volcanic stone from the ridge. With hammerstones, they chipped out rough axe heads, sharp enough to fell trees, and strong enough to shape the land. These roughouts were carried away to be polished and mounted in wooden handles, the finished tools travelling far and wide, found as far off as Yorkshire and the Midlands. The hillside still carries the traces of that industry. Scattered flakes, broken hammerstones, and half-made axes left where they fell. Excavations in the early 20th century uncovered whole working floors, showing just how busy this mountain once was with toolmakers at work. Standing there today, among the quarry scars and wind-blown ridges, it's easy to picture the rhythm of stone on stone and the long connection between people and this grey rock. So the name literally means the grey rock, the grey cliff. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.